What's going on, YouTube? So today we're doing something a little bit different. My car got stolen, so we are gonna go see what the hell they're talking about. Apparently they found it. So yeah, we're gonna go see what happened. Full disclosure, I am mad that they found my car. I wanted my insurance to give me a new car, but it's not gonna happen that way. So here we go. We're off to go see what happened. Let's do this. All right, YouTube. So I had to go pick up some diabetes. I meant you.
Shit, that too.
I had to go pick up the boy. I guess now we on our way. You know, we had to go get some crack. You know what it is. You know, we're not sponsored by Starbucks yet, but you know what I mean. We plugging. It's crack. But yeah, here we go. We off to I guess either the impound lot or I don't know. I just got an address. We're gonna pull up. We're gonna see what happens.
We're gonna see what life takes us.
Yeah, they were working on the car, and over the weekend, I guess they broke into the shop and stole my car, and then I guess you guys found it, and so I was told to come down here and get a report, so that way I can, yeah. Well, no, they found it, apparently. But it has been told? I don't know. Okay, thank you. Well, that was hella bullshit. We just waited in line for like an hour. So apparently because my registration is 9 days expired, past the expiration or whatever, I gotta go to the DMV now, pay for the registration, come back, wait in line again, get the paperwork, and then go to the impound lot and pay money because the auto shop got my car stolen from their place and they left the keys in it, so I have to pay. What? That doesn't make no sense. So yeah, we're on the way to the bank. We're gonna go get some money, and then I guess we're gonna go deal with this shit. All right, let's do it. All right, so we made it to AAA. We're gonna get the registration done, and then after that, hopefully I can get my damn car out of the impound. Sucker's asleep as usual. Alright, so we got the registration sticker. If you guys don't know already, if you're a AAA member, you can go to AAA to get all that kind of stuff done. They pretty much don't do, I think it's just IDs and passports and I think a couple other random things. But yeah, it saves you a lot of time. Fuck the DMV. Alright, so now we back to the police station. Let's go. All right, so we back. We got the, you know what I mean. I threw away our parking ticket, so we gonna use the Taco Bell receipt and see if they fall for it. Fuck it, we got. Pull me out.
It's probably because you have the hottest merch in the game.
Oh. Alright, so got the vehicle released. Now we can go see what the hell happened to the car. That wasn't gonna take that long, actually. I thought that was gonna be like 500 million hours.
I mean, we've only been at this since 9 a.m.
It's only 2. What? Y'all know what it is, that life.
You about to get run over.
You guys, if you haven't already, go get yourself some of the dopest merch in the game. It's been actually scientifically proven that increases clout by over. Oh. All right, you guys. No tickets. Taco Bell receipt worked. You know what it is. Alright, we're here. Let's see what the hell happens.
Happens or what happens to the car?
A little bit of both. Dude, it really is 101 degrees out.
Oh, take a pee. I thought that was my
I want to pay it and then definitely go take a look at it and then hopefully get it out of here. All of the above if I can.
Hottest merchant in the game.
Hottest merchant. Link in the description. It's gonna be down here.
No, I'm just kidding. We got free water.
She hooked it up, man.
I did take a couple. I took 100 off.
We took 100 off?
Yeah.
Oh,
Good,
okay,
awesome.
thank you.
Thank you.
Okay.
So they hooked us up. Auto Plus Towing. They're good people. Oh, sign here too? Okay.
Sign your life away.
Sign my life away, exactly.
Now, are you leaving again? Okay, now, this is where your vehicle is. About 5 minutes.
Okay, that's not bad. All right.
So you're having fun with
Oh, yeah, exactly. It's a big adventure today. Thank you.
Lay down.
You're like, you're gonna be on YouTube.
Stardom.
See, we making people famous around here.
That's what happens when you come to that life.
Look, so now we gotta go over to Medford Avenue, wherever the hell that is. Alright, you guys, Medford. Yep, that's where we want to go, Medford. On your right, 9957.
I see it. That's what it will sound like when I see it. I mean, just go in and we find out.
They didn't give me no key or nothing.
No, it's open.
Okay, we just see if we can't find my car.
I'd be laughing if this is just regular parking.
I feel like it is.
Yeah, I don't think this is it.
No, I don't think so. Bro, we just get stuck up in this shit. Yeah, my car is not here, dude. What the hell? And now the gate's shut. Oh, thank God.
We're gonna be stuck here.
Bro, it's 104 degrees, bro. Oh, I'm not trying to get stuck here right now. I think we found it.
Let's see what the damage is first.
No, we gotta go and check inside first. I'm scared.
Probably lunch.
Oh, they stole it! They stole everything!
Corey.
Ew!
Call him down. Corey. Stop.
$1 on it. It had a 15-inch, it was 5,000 watts. You hear this shit from Alameda, man. You know. They put an Uber sticker on it! That's not mine.
Hey, check if the pack of mayo is still there.
No, it's gone.
They took the sauce!
You couldn't get in here though. I can't even get in there. What is this? This is not mine. There's their murder gloves. Man, my car is tainted.
Damn, bro, they snuck up in there, look.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. They got this shit still in here.
Bro,
That they stole.
They
bro.
probably fucked in this bitch, bro. There's condoms.
They did! Whoa! Shit! They got all the condoms in there. They was fucking in there. Hey, well, they don't fuck. They use Uber. They use sex and shit. What the fuck?
Jack, their laundry's even here.
What?
There's a sack right there. Look, that's how I knew there was fucking.
And there was a Trojan thing right there too, bro. Nasty fucks. Man, them crackheads came up, bro.
Help you. Please hold.
These was like crackheads going around just stealing random shit, I bet, because that's not mine either. Bro, look, they got their little shank.
For your continued patience, we are working as quickly as
Oh,
possible.
bro!
Please continue to hold, and your call will be answered in the order it was received.
Real dirty Sprite C's. These expensive. I gotta go back tomorrow and get the car, bring it to the auto shop. I don't even want that car anymore, bro. Crackheads was having sex in my car. What? Bro. This shit is wild. Alright, you guys, we're gonna take this up tomorrow, so I'll see you in a sec. Here we go. What's going on, YouTube? So it's the next day. I've got the car towed to the auto shop. So now I basically just got to go to the car audio store that I got all my speakers from, so that way they can get receipt written up for what I had in the car. Yeah, so I called him and he said he's got a treat to show us, so we're gonna go check out his car. So let's do this. Let's go.
You think? I made it because it's like a 3 terabyte USB hard drive.
You guys see this?
But you might want to, yeah. Ugly or you want it hurt?
Yeah, I want it ugly. Like, I mean,
Mama, I'm so
show me.
hot the hell and now you get around.
Hold on, I hurt myself.
Wait, that's because
Baby, here I am, I'm a man.
Let it go, can't hold it back anymore. Let it go,
be scared or what?
let it go. Turn my back and slam the door.
purpose of that?
That's too much bass.
No, it's not.
Oh my god. I'm gonna be talking like this the rest of the day. You just destroyed my ears. Thank you. That was awesome. Yo, you guys need slap. Come get it at Fat Boys Audio.